Tip 96. To be or not to be.
Dialogue.
Hi, is it possible to have my motorcycle serviced today?
Certainly.
I at least need to have my motorcycle oil change today.
Okay. I need some data for the repair form. Your complete name, your ID, your address, and your phone number, please.
Okay, all this information is on my personal card here.
I'll call you as soon as it's ready.
Can you, please, also include the suits and the protectors on the invoice? My first motorcycle race will be held tomorrow, and I need to be ready.
Great. What about boots? Helmet? Gloves? And a jacket? Are they ready?
Mine are okay. Many thanks.
Your motorcycle is ready.
Okay, in 20 minutes, I'll be there. Can you please send me the invoice copy by WhatsApp?
Certainly. Here it is.
What happened? A customer named Robert went to the shop to ask if his motorcycle could be serviced that day, explaining to need at least an oil change. Days, the repair shop owner, confirmed it was possible and asked for his personal details, his name, ID, address, and phone number for the repair form. Robert agreed and said that all the required information was available on his personal card. Days told him she would call as soon as the service was complete. Robert also requested Days to include the racing suits and protectors on the invoice because he needed everything ready for his first motorcycle race the next day. Days enthusiastically asked if his other gear, specifically his boots, helmet, gloves, and jacket, were ready, to which Robert confirmed his items were fine and thanked her. Later, the same day, Days called Robert back to inform him his motorcycle was ready. Robert said he would be there in 20 minutes and asked if she could send a copy of the invoice via WhatsApp. Days agreed and provided the invoice. Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.